welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion. If you're new here, if you're not new here, as always, welcome back. Before we get into today's video, please do me a huge favor. Look down below and make sure you're hitting that little red subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss an upload, whether it be an unboxing or review. You just don't want to miss any of my uploads, so make sure you're hitting that little post notification bell. And while you're at it, you might as well go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I've been super active lately on Instagram with Reels. I keep saying that, so you definitely want to tap in with me there as well. I think we could get right into today's video. I'm super excited. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some pieces from the newest Coach and Disney collaboration celebrating Disney's 100th year. I'm normally not a fan of characters on my handbags and accessories, but if you're no stranger to my channel or just no stranger to my life in general, my 14-month-old daughter Brixley absolutely loves Minnie Mouse. So when I saw that Coach had a collection and Minnie Mouse was on some of the items, I'm like, I need it because I know she's going to be excited about it. So I think we can get right into today's unboxing. It will be 100% transparent, and I wasn't really into any of the designs on the bags. However, I really did love that with this collection, Coach took the pattern that was on the front of the bag underneath the flap and continued the pattern. I'll insert a picture here so you can kind of understand what I'm saying. So I really did love that, but there wasn't any bags that really caught my eye. But what did catch my eye was the card case and the scarf. So those are the two items that I picked up. As always, I'll insert a close-up of each item. So this is the Minnie Mouse card holder. It does have a slot for 6 cards. Right there is the Disney X Coach collab logo. And as you can see in the front, super cute. She's holding flowers. She has lashes. I thought this was really cute. Inside you have the brand tag as well as your serial number. I really love that it has slots for 6 cards because if you know, you know, a lot of these designer card cases really only hold 2 to 4 cards. So it's nice to have the option to have 6 cards. The leather is that sustainable leather, and I absolutely love it. It's pebbled leather, as you can see. It's a beautiful like taupe color. It's coming up a lot lighter on camera than it actually is. Very beautiful, very pretty. The card case does retail for $95, and you do have the option between Minnie, Mickey, Daisy, Donald, and Goofy, I believe it is. But currently they're all sold out online, so you definitely have to run to Coach and see if you could get your hands on one. This year Coach went with the garden theme for their Disney collaboration in an effort to promote sustainable regenerative leather. So the card case I'm about to show you is actually regenerative leather, which is sustainably sourced farmed leather. You know what? Let me just read this directly from the Coach site because I think this is super interesting as to why they went with a garden theme, as well as it being the 100th anniversary of the iconic garden cartoon of Mickey, where the plants in the garden all grow bigger than the characters. But it says, Coach celebrates Disney's 100th anniversary with a special garden-themed collection combining the wonder and magic of Disney with our craftsmanship and commitment to helping reduce our impact on the planet. Featuring floral and farm fresh fun with Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, and Goofy. The leather is sourced from farms that use regenerative agricultural practices, those that help maintain and rejuvenate grasslands, increase biological diversity, soil health, productivity, and could lead to increased carbon absorption. So I really love that Not only is Coach trying to reduce the environmental impact they have on the world with their products, but they partnered it with such a cute theme. So I thought that was super cute. The very first item that I picked up, as I mentioned, I will insert close-ups, is the Minnie Mouse card case. This retailed for $95. I do love the color of it. It's a nude color. I feel like it probably will get dirty, but Coach is one of those brands that does have a leather cleaning kit that they sell in stores. I really loved the card case because it does have 3 slots on each side, whereas my Goyard has 1 and my Louis has 2. So I can fit a lot of my cards in here, but of course I love it because our favorite it girl, Minnie Mouse, is on the front of it. The one thing I will say, I haven't bought a product from Coach in a very, very long time. The last Coach item I had in recent years was sent to me from Coach. There's an unboxing on my channel, and that was from their Pride collection last year, their Willow saddle bag. The one thing I will say is the dust bag is giving very plasticky, but at the same time I understand that this collection and everything that Coach is doing moving forward is to reduce waste and just all the bad things that are going into the environment. So I get it, but I would have just liked a little more, I don't know, a little more luxury in the dust bag. So the second item I picked up, you're going to be able to see better in the close-ups. You'll be able to see more of the scarves detail right here and kind of just how beautiful it is. I think it's super cute. It'll dress up a white shirt and jeans look. I don't know. The possibilities are endless with it. You can put it in your hair. I just knew I had to have it because, again, our homegirl Minnie was on it, and anything with Minnie in this household, we stand. So the silk scarf is really the star of the show for me. Same as the card case, the scarf retails for $95. It is 100% silk. It is way bigger. It's way bigger than I was anticipating. Like I mentioned, I did purchase these items in store. However, I did see the scarf online and knew it was a piece that I wanted. So I didn't really look at it in store to see exactly how big it is. So I love it for $95, and it's 100% silk. Like I said, you have the Coach logo in the top corner. It's a very pretty pink and green. There's 2 different versions of Minnie, which I love because I feel like when I wear this scarf, he's going to be so excited that Minnie and Mickey are around mommy's neck, hair, wherever I choose to use the scarf. I probably could use it as a belt. I will insert the picture from Coach's website itself. The scarf is 35 by 35 inches. So again, super big, 100% silk, and just the detailing is really beautiful. The colors are super beautiful, but I love that the characters are just vintage. It's just really such a cool piece to have, and I really think Coach went above and beyond for this year's collaboration with Disney to honor the 100 years. There is only one version of this scarf, so it is only the Minnie and Mickey characters on the scarf. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute, and I just think it's gonna just make any outfit cute. And honestly, my daughter has so many pieces of clothing with Minnie Mouse on it, so it's a cute little way to match. As I mentioned, it's sold out already online. This collection moved really fast, faster than I thought it would. And yeah, so definitely try to check out your local Coach to see if they have any pieces still in store. Is the silk scarf from the collection. So this also retailed for $95. It's way bigger than I was anticipating. I'm not somebody who really reads sizes in the descriptions of products. I did go in store to purchase both items. Absolutely love this scarf. I think it's super cute. While I was at the Coach store, I did happen to see a lot of cute bags. So I definitely think I'm going to be looking into some Coach purchases this year because they definitely did have a lot of cute styles, mini bags. I love that they have a bunch of different straps that you can interchange and buy, colors like that. So I think Coach is really trying to make a comeback this year, and I'm here for it because they're really coming out with some cute stuff. Thank you so much for watching today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you're hitting that little thumbs up button down below and make sure you're subscribed to my channel as well. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.